Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: spinach stuffed flounder. Now let's get to the ingredients: paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil, cream cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, Old Bay seasoning, unsalted butter. I have here some lemon wedges, fresh parsley chopped. I have here fresh crab meat. And of course, the flounder. I have a pan here lined with parchment paper. We're going to assemble the fillet of flounder in this pan here. Then we're going to turn the oven on. To about 375 degrees for it to heat up. Now, this is what we're going to do now. I have the spinach here that's already chopped up. We're going to add to the bowl the mozzarella cheese, the Parmesan cheese, the cream cheese, and we're going to take our hands. My hands are washed and clean, and we're going to use our hand to mix everything together in this bowl. We're going to squeeze everything till it mixes together. Now we're going to add a little Old Bay to the mixture. Okay. Now I'm going to wash my hands off. You see? Now this is what we do now. And I have a plate here with the fillet of flounder in it. And this is what I'm going to do first. I have some lemon wedges here, and I'm going to squeeze some lemon over it. and sprinkle some Old Bay. Sprinkle a little paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Now, this is the mixture we have here. We're going to take the mixture, we're going to put it in the center of the flounder. And this is the crab meat. Gonna squeeze some lemon juice over the crab. Then we're going to add some of the crab on top of the spinach mixture. You can use salmon for this also if you like, whatever fillet of fish you choose to use. And we're gonna take it and roll it up. Then we're going to add it on the parchment paper. Make sure you put it seam side down. And the next thing we do is we also take some olive oil, pour it over it, and some melted butters. We're going to brush some melted butter on. Use a pastry brush if you have one. And we're going to sprinkle some more Old Bay over the top. These are the finished flounder fillet. Now I'm going to put them in the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Here we have it, the finished dish, spinach stuffed flounder. I'm serving mine with wild rice. You can serve yours with roasted potatoes, twice-baked potatoes, sweet potatoes, anything you choose to serve it with. If you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time that I'm having a video come out, that you will be notified. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.